Which RV sewer hose is the right RV sewer hose for you? Stick around and find out, because in this video we're going to get you in the know with RV sewer hoses. Hey everybody, I'm Scott from Camco. If you're an RVer, sooner or later you're going to have to empty the black and gray water tanks that fill up so quickly. So what do? Well, you can't just open up the gate valve and let it dump into the street like Cousin Eddie. You're going to have to connect the RV to a dump station. So how do you connect the RV to the dump station? With an RV sewer hose. When you walk into the store or when you're looking online, you're going to find all sorts of options for RV sewer hoses. So which one do you choose and why? Well, with most things, it's going to depend on how much you're using it and what your budget is. This is the part where I explain what makes one sewer hose better than another. But if you don't really care about that and you just want to be told which sewer hose is best for you, skip ahead in the video to right here. So, what makes one sewer hose better than another? The core of the construction and the mills and material of the sewer hose wall. Camco's hose cores are constructed of either metal or plastic. A mill is a unit of length equal to 1/1000th of an inch. The more mills thick the sewer hose wall is, the stronger the hose. Camco's sewer hose walls are made of either HTS or high tensile strength vinyl, polyolefin material, or thermoplastic elastomer. The HTS vinyl comes in various mill thicknesses and is wrapped multiple times around a metal wire core. It is extremely flexible and compresses for simple storage. The polyolefin hoses are more durable than vinyl. They feature stay-in-place technology for easy setup, they stay compressed for super easy storage, and the poly material can be formed into a hose with or without a core, although the wire core does add strength and durability. And finally, TPE, or thermoplastic elastomer. This is a super flexible, durable material that can be used with an exterior plastic core, making it crush and abrasion resistant. So most of these hoses can be purchased as a standalone, just the hose. But you have to consider you're going to need to make a watertight connection between your RV's sewer outlet and the dump station. If the connection's not watertight, you get nasty, stinky sewer water leaking or gushing all over the place. So how do you make a watertight connection? Sewer hose fittings. Now there are several different kinds of sewer hose fittings and connections, but attaching them to the hose can be kind of a hassle depending on the material of the hose. Now you can buy the sewer hose fittings and install them yourself to save some money, or you can do what most people prefer to do, which is buy the ready-to-use kits. Before we talk about the kits, it'd be helpful to explain the different types of fittings and connections that we're going to be mentioning. First is the bayonet fitting. This connects to the lugs on your RV sewer outlet or to a lug fitting on another sewer hose. The lug fitting. This connects to the bayonet fitting on your other sewer hose or other attachments. Elbow fitting. This makes the transition from the hose to the dump station. It's a 90-degree elbow that connects to a detachable 4-in-1 adapter. The 4-in-1 adapter helps to make a solid connection to most standard dump stations. It features 4-inch, 3.5-inch, and 3-inch NPT threads and a 3-inch slip connection. Okay, so let's talk about the ready-to-use kits. They're just what they sound like. They come right out of the box with the sewer fittings already attached. All you have to do is hook it up to your RV and to the dump station. All of Camco's ready-to-use sewer kits will fit into a standard 4-inch square RV bumper. We'll start by talking about the Camco ready-to-use RV sewer hose kit. This is an entry-level standard RV sewer hose kit. It's great for occasional camping. This is a 10-foot kit and it's constructed of 12 mils of durable HTS vinyl wrapped around a wire core. It has a pre-attached standard 2-prong bayonet fitting on one end and a pre-attached translucent elbow with detachable 4-in-1 adapter on the other. The translucent elbow helps you to know when your tank is done emptying. Next we're going to talk about the Revolution kit. The Revolution kit is great for seasonal camping. It's constructed of heavy-duty HTS vinyl, which is 15 mils thick, wrapped around a wire core. It's a 20-foot kit, but it comes in two 10-foot sections. So if you only want to use 10 feet, you only need to use 10 feet. Each 10-foot section has swivel, bayonet, and lug fittings. Unlike standard fittings, these swivel fittings will rotate 360 degrees, making them super easy to connect, and they have 4 bayonets or lugs, making the connection twice as secure. It also comes with a detachable, translucent, swivel sewer hose elbow and 4-in-1 adapter. It also includes storage caps. Next we're going to talk about the Super Kit. The Super Kit is great for full-time camping. It's constructed of super heavy-duty HTS vinyl, 18 mils thick, wrapped around a wire core, making it our most durable vinyl sewer hose. It's a 20-foot kit. It comes with two 10-foot sections, Each 10-foot section has swivel bayonet and lug fittings. It comes with a detachable clear sewer hose elbow with swivel fitting and detachable 4-in-1 adapter. It also comes with a clear extension. That way you can tell when your tanks are clean. We also offer the Super Kit with a Y adapter. It has all the same features of the Super Kit that we just talked about, but instead of the clear extension, it comes with a translucent Y adapter with swivel fittings. This is used for RVers with 2 sewer outlets. You can connect each 10-foot hose to your RV at the same time, connect those hoses to the translucent Y adapter, connect the Y adapter to the clear sewer hose elbow and 4-in-1 adapter, and you can dump both tanks at the same time. Both Super Kits come with storage caps. So that wraps it up for the vinyl ready-to-use sewer hose kits. Now let's talk about the premium ready-to-use sewer hose kits. These kits are an investment for the full-time RVers who want extra durability and peace of mind. The first premium kit we're going to be talking about is the Rhino X. The Rhino X is made of durable polymer, which is 23 mils thick. It has maximum compression. Each section compresses to approximately 31 inches, which is great for storage and saving space. It has stay-in-place technology, so you can bend it and shape it however you want, or you can extend just the length you want while the rest stays compressed. It's a 20-foot kit that comes with 2 10-foot sections. One section has a pre-attached swivel bayonet fitting and a pre-attached swivel clear sewer hose elbow with 4-in-1 adapter. The other section has pre-attached swivel lug and bayonet fittings. It also comes with storage caps. The next premium ready-to-use RV sewer hose kit we're going to talk about is the Rhino Flex. The Rhino Flex is constructed of 23 mils thick, durable polyolefin wrapped around a steel wire core, making it super tough. It has stay-in-place technology and secure compression, and it's available in 2 different length kits, a 20-foot kit and a 15-foot kit. It's a 20-foot kit that comes in 2 10-foot sections that collapse down to approximately 39 inches. Each 10-foot section has pre-attached swivel bayonet and lug fitting. It also comes with a detachable, clear, swivel, sewer hose elbow with detachable 4-in-1 adapter and storage caps. The 15-foot Rhino Flex compresses down to approximately 56 inches for storage, and it has pre-attached swivel bayonet and a pre-attached swivel sewer hose elbow with detachable 4-in-1 adapter. Also, storage caps. And last but not least, the RhinoEXTREME Premium Ready-to-Use RV Sewer Hose Kit. The RhinoEXTREME is constructed of 24 mils thick thermoplastic elastomer reinforced with a polymer exoskeleton core. This combination makes the RhinoEXTREME ridiculously durable. The polymer exoskeleton reduces the ground contact for the flexible TPE wall, making it super abrasion resistant. And the polymer exoskeleton and TPE combo make this sucker crush resistant. The RhinoEXTREME ready-to-use RV sewer hose kit comes in a 20-foot kit and a 15-foot kit. The 20-foot kit comes with 2 10-foot sections, each with, you guessed it, a pre-attached swivel bayonet and lug fittings. It also comes with a detachable swivel clear sewer hose elbow with detachable 4-in-1 adapter and storage caps. The 15-foot kit comes with pre-attached swivel bayonet and lug fitting, and it comes with a detachable, clear, swivel, sewer hose elbow with detachable 4-in-1 adapter and storage caps. So that about wraps it up for Camco's RV sewer hoses. I hope this video helped to get you in the know. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And thank you for watching. Camco.